Welcome student. A wire of uniform cross section of area A. So area is A and length is equal to L and resistance R is bent into a complete circle. So this is the wire of resistance R is bent into complete circle. That is complete. This is folded into circle. So let us take like this. Fold circle. Resistance between two diametrical opposite points will be. So this is diametrical to opposite. We call it as point A. This we call it as a point B. So this length is L and its length is equal to circumference is equal to 2 pi into a radius, where radius of the circle. So we have to find out this wire is bent in the form of a circle, and we have to find out the resistance between this point and this point. See, if this is L, this length will be L by 2 and this length will be L by 2. Okay, since we know resistance is equal to rho L by E. Since it is two opposite diametrically opposite point, it means this is one point, this is one point. This here there is a separation, so this is in parallel. Resistance is in parallel. This we can write it like this. This is point A and this is the resistance. This is point B. This is resistance point B. So this is point B. It means both are parallel circuit. Its resistance, what about its resistance? Its length, this length, because half the length, this is L by 2. This is half the length is equal to L by 2. What happened to the resistance? So we call it as R1 and we call it as R2. So R1 is equal to rho is same because same wire is bent, rho into length divided by area, rho into L by area. And what about R2 and L? What is L? Rho into L is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r divided by 2 is equal to pi r divided by A. And R2, what about R2? This will be also equal to R2. Why? Because the same part L by 2, this rho is same, length is also L by 2 and A is same because wire is bent only, it is not stretched or it is not compressed. So R1 is equal to, we can see R1 is equal to R2. R1 is equal to R2. In this case now, this has become parallel. For parallel as it is we have seen, for parallel 1 by R equivalent for parallel is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by R1 plus R2 or R equivalent, or we can write R dash is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 into R2. Since R1 is equal to R2, we can, so it means R1 into R2 is equal to R1 square, or R1 into R2 is equal to R1 square or R2 square. So R1 square, R2 square is equal to rho pi R by A whole square, this into this, R1 into R2 is equal to rho pi R by A, R1 by R2 divided by, sorry, this will be R1 plus R2. So it's divided by R1 plus R2. Since both are same, R1 is equal to R2, it means R1 plus 2 R2 is equal to twice of this value, that is twice of rho pi R by A, because this plus this is equal to double of this one. So we can cancel this and we can cancel this one. This becomes rho pi R by A into 2. Rho pi R A into 2. So this is R dash. r dash rho pi r into 2. What is r? R is equal to, as it is, we have to find out the r for this entire thing. R means for the entire length. This is r is equal to density into length. What is length? Length is equal to 2 pi into r divided by e, rho l by e. So this we can convert it also. This is equal to half into rho into 2 pi r. Pi r become 2 pi r. We divide by 2 into e. So it means r dash is equal to, now r dash is equal to, therefore r dash is equal to, this is equal to half, this 2 into 2 1 by 4, this 2 into 2 1 by 4, this is rho into 2 pi r divided by a, and this portion already we have seen r dash. What is r? R is equal to rho into 2 pi r by a, so is equal to 1 by 4 of r. Therefore r dash is equal to r by 4. This is the answer. R dash is equal to r by 4. This answer holds good. Now problem B, same setup, but here only thing the resistance is given and radius also given. See here, resistance for problem number B, resistance is equal to 12 ohm per meter. 12 ohm per meter means for 1 meter 12 ohm. So length of this one, the cable, this wire stretched in this one with a resistance of R, L is equal to 2 pi into radius or 2 into pi into radius. Radius is given 10 centimeter. 10 divided by 100 meter. So a length is equal to this cancels, pi by 5. So a length is equal to pi by 5 meter. It means a resistance is equal to 12 ohm per meter into length, which is equal to 12 into pi by 5. 12 into 12 per meter into length is equal to pi by 5 meter. So resistance is equal to 12 pi by 5 meter. Original resistance of this wire, resistance R when it is equal to 12 pi by 5 ohm. Now in the previous problem we have seen the R equivalent is equal to the original resistance divided by 4. It's very easy to find out now R dash, the equivalent resistance, when it is converted into two parallel resistance. This is point A, this is point B, this is R by 2, as it is we have seen R by 2, because it is symmetrical. Whatever the full resistance, it is divided off, because this is L by 2, this is also L by 2. So resistance will be symmetrical. In that case, R equivalent of this parallel circuit, the parallel circuit is equal to original resistance by 4. So original resistance is equal to 12 pi divided by 5 divided by 4. Therefore original resistance is equal to, this is 3 times, is equal to 3 pi by 5. 30 divided by 3 divided by 5 is equal to 0.6. Therefore R dash, this is the entire thing is the R dash, that is parallel circuit. R dash is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6 into pi.